Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at Bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be showing you my Adsterra earning proof. So some people don't actually believe that they can earn money through Adsterra, maybe due to high rate of scam activity on the internet. So they don't believe that Adsterra is a legit networking business. So I have received payment on Adsterra. I've earned money on Adsterra. So today I'll be showing you all those things. So and if today is your first time of visiting my channel at bizyjoe.com, please do well to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family. So let me move over to my Adsterra account and share it. So this is Adsterra and the website is adsterra.com, but I'm a publisher. I earn money through Adsterra. So the way to earn money is through adding their code on your website. You can also advertise with them if you want to get traffic from Adsterra to your products or your website. So as a publisher, you earn money. As an advertiser, you spend money. So I'm a publisher. So this is my earnings. As you can see here from the balance up here, it is $46.37, and I have paid this total money I've earned so far on Astra, and I've been paid $148.6 on my PayPal account because that was my payment gateway. So, but my balance is 46.7 so far. So this is my statistics to prove to you that ads you can actually earn on Astra, although the amount is small compared to other other advertiser network that I added on my blog. So as you can see, this is today, as of the time I'm recording this video, as you can see, this is 11/20/2022. So this is for 11/19. Now this is yesterday. So yesterday I earned $101.57, and my CPM, that's cost per million, is 0.334. Then yesterday, day before yesterday, which is on 18th, this is my earning 6.44. Then on 17th, this is my earning. So as you can see, this is my earning. So this is actually working. I'm earning money every day on Adsterra. So once you integrate the code on your website, if you want to integrate that, it's very easy and simple. Just go to website. So once you go to website, then you can add your site. I have added so many sites on Adsterra. So once you just click on add new website, just it's very easy, very simple. Put your site URL, then choose a placement. Maybe you go with social, then you choose add sites for this. Once you select add sites, then you click on add. In the next 5 minutes, they will approve your site. The approval method is very simple and easy. So if you want to add a code, once you add a website like this and the website gets approved, the next thing to do is just to add a code. Just click on add code. Just click on add code. Then you choose a code size. Maybe you can add 468 times 6. That's the size. Or you can even add native add. There are so many add size I can select. So anyone that you select, then you click on add, then you see the code, just you see the code, so then you can copy the code. Let me use one of the code that I have added actually. So these are all pending. So if you just click on get code, you see the code. Just copy this code, put it inside your website. Once you put this on your website, they will start to show ad on your site. And every time somebody visits your website, it counts. That's why it's CPM, cost per minute. So anytime somebody visits your website, whether they click on that particular ad or not, it counts because Adsterra is going to show ad to that particular visitor on your site. So it does not matter whether they click or not, your money still keep on counting. And when you have audiences that are coming from first country world like USA, Canada, UK, Germany, and all that, your CPM tend to increase, unlike people that are visiting from Africa. So if you have a way of targeting or getting audience from these first world countries, then you are good to go. Your CPM will always be high. You don't even need much traffic for you to make something reasonable on Adsterra. So with just that, you can make your money. So this is just a video to prove to you, to show you my own Adsterra earning, to show you that it's working. It's something that you can actually start making money immediately. Just follow the process. I have a video on my, if you want to know more about Adsterra, how to integrate your code, I have a video on my YouTube channel about Adsterra. So you just go to my YouTube channel and watch that video. That video will guide you through from how to create your Adsterra account, how to set it up, how to add code, everything that you need to know about Adsterra. See, it sets up Adsterra ICPC is one. So once you watch this video, it's going to show you how to set up your Adsterra account and connect it to your website or your blog. So thanks for watching this video. If you find any value in this video, please do it to share this video with your friends, like and subscribe to our channel at bizyjoe.com. So thanks much.